Hello, good morning, people. It is day 2, and I woke up at 4:45, got dressed, and I thought I should take a video. And this is the view of morning 5:10, where nobody's up, as everybody was nicely enjoying having a gala time and slept really late. Few actually slept like an hour ago, around 4 or 4:30. These cheerful dogs have made my evening so well. This is a beautiful tree, and I'm just covering it up for you guys to see how beautiful the evening was. Really pleasant, and as always, I'm up early, so now that's me. See you soon. Take care. Morning, people. एक्चुअली सुबह के आई थिंक 5:13 हो रहा है. इसके पहले भी मैंने एक वीडियो लिया है जो आप देख चुके हैं. सो किसी का तो अलार्म बजा था लेकिन वो उठा नहीं. सो आई एम गोइंग टू गेट रेडी फॉर नाउ एंड आई विल कीप यू गाइज पोस्टेड व्हेन वी लीव फ्रॉम हियर. टिल देन यू टेक केयर एंड स्टे ट्यून्ड टू माय वीडियो. मेबल रॉड्रिगेज signing off. I am back after getting ready. Nobody's still yet up, so I am just loitering around. In error, I ended up knocking at somebody else's tent instead of the person who requested me to. So I don't know morning में क्या होता है. If you can see, nobody is up. कोई भी उठा नहीं है अभी तक. There is a very beautiful sound of the waterfall and the river flowing right there from where we came. So I'll keep you guys posted once I leave from here. Till then, you take care. Mabel Rodriguez signing off. So मैं अभी वहाँ से निकली हूँ. क्या कहते हैं, टेंट से. आई जस्ट स्टेप्ड आउट बिकॉज पीपल आर जस्ट नॉट गेटिंग अप. तो मैंने सोचा कि मैं खुद ही रिवर देख के आऊँ और आप लोगों को भी दिखाऊँ. सो फॉर नाउ दिस वॉज फॉर कायाकिंग, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली वी कुडंट डू दैट बिकॉज हम पहुँचे ही शाम को इतना लेट that we couldn't cover anything, and I am at the river. Yay. Hold on, let me show it to you. Let me flip the camera. Hello people. So just because the entire troop is still sleeping, I came down to make you guys see what I am doing. पता नहीं आपको चांद दिख रहा होगा या नहीं. मुझे तो दिख रहा था थोड़ी देर पहले. So I'm at a very scenic view and enjoying इट कम्प्लीटली हरीली. तो यहाँ से जो हम आए हैं वो जा रहे हैं, देख रहे हैं आप. वो वहाँ से हम आए थे तो ये पूरा हमको क्रॉस करके आना पड़ा, जिसके लिए हमको शूज़ निकालने पड़े थे. एंड ट्रस्ट में इट वॉज पैथेटिक फीलिंग, बट देन ठीक है. उसके बाद जो मज़ा आया दैट वाज अमेजिंग. सो आई विल शो यू दिस. वहाँ से आ रहा है, और ये जहाँ से पानी आ रहा है, वी आर गोइंग टू ट्रैक फॉर ऑलमोस्ट 8 hours, 4 hours ascending, 4 hours descending, and trust me, it's just 12 kilometers, but it's gonna take a lot of time for us to go because we are we are a huge crowd, so सबको साथ में जाना है, साथ में आना है. You guys stay tuned and look out for my more videos. Adios. ये मैं हूँ, ये मेरी टीम है, और हम ट्रैकिंग करने वाले हैं. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's day 2, 20th February 2022 with Mad Camps, aka Vidya Tours and Travels. We are heading ahead for the trek and we have just begun. So we are still at the flat surface where hiking is yet to come. And this is me, of course, who has just started to enjoy this troop that you guys are seeing the batch of, that which they have provided. I am walking with them for the very first time, and I'm really enjoying it. These are my troop members. That's a glimpse of the scenic view that is going to be ahead of this video, so stay glued. Now I'm gonna go ahead and blabber something that you need to please excuse, because this is a voiceover and I'm sorry. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and take you guys further. And this guy in the blue, aqua blue, was Karan, who is the main organizer of Mad Camps. Here starts your exquisite view for DEVKUND, which is yet to come, but I'm just giving you a beautiful video to see, where you can have yourself mesmerized in this complete video. Now you're gonna see a wide angle specially, which I'm gonna go ahead and show it to you. Here it comes, 0.6 ultra wide angle just for you guys. And this is the small pond that begins at the before you enter DEVKUND. And here people are busy clicking pictures, taking videos, and I am just slouching down on some hollow rock because I have injured my right thumb, thanks to one of my badminton partner who did that with me. Well, jokes apart, thank you for watching, and stay glued and tuned for my more videos. And Maple Rodriguez signing off. Bye bye.